हेलो चिल्ड्रन एंड वेलकम टू टुडेज सेशन। हम बच्चों को बाहर जाकर खेलना तो बहुत अच्छा लगता है और स्पेशली गार्डन में जाके खेलना, क्योंकि वहाँ होती है ढेर सारी मिट्टी और उस ढेर सारी मिट्टी को जब हम हाथ में लेते हैं तो हमें उसमें से बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग चीज़ें मिलती हैं। कभी मिलते हैं डिफरेंट डिफरेंट शेप के पत्थर, कभी मिलते हैं डिफरेंट डिफरेंट शेप के कीड़े। इन इंसेक्ट्स को देख के बहुत मज़ा आता है, तंग नहीं करना इनको। हम प्लांट्स भी देखते हैं जो सॉइल के अंदर ग्रो करते हैं। जिस तरह से ह्यूमन बीइंग्स का फूड होता है रोटी दाल चपाती, उसी तरीके से प्लांट्स का फूड होता है सॉइल। सॉइल इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर प्लांट्स. So in this chapter, we are going to learn about soil formation. We are going to learn about composition of soil and uses of soil. Soil was not made overnight. Soil बनने के लिए कई millions of years लगे थे. When earth was originally formed, the earth's surface was covered with very huge rocks. इन huge rocks के ऊपर खूब सारी sunlight, खूब सारी बारिश पड़ी तो इन रॉक्स के बहुत छोटे छोटे टुकड़े हो गए। उससे बनी फाइन डस्ट। अब इस डस्ट के अंदर या इस सैंड के अंदर तो पौधे उग नहीं सकते थे। ये फर्टाइल कैसे हुई? ये फर्टाइल हुई जब इस सैंड के अंदर डेड डीकेइंग मैटर ऑफ प्लांट्स एंड एनिमल्स मिला। इसकी वजह से जो टॉप मोस्ट लेयर ऑफ सॉइल थी, it became very rich, it became dark in color. It is exactly the soil that you play with in the garden. This soil and this top layer is the one which is very very important for growth of plants. The top layer, the dark layer that we see is known as humus. अब इस लेयर के अलावा सॉइल के अंदर और क्या क्या होता है, आइए वो सीखते हैं एक छोटे से वीडियो से. In this video, we are going to learn about the different layers of soil. Soil mainly has got three different layers. The top soil is the topmost layer of the soil. It contains humus, which is responsible for the growth of plants because it is a very fertile layer. Below the topsoil is the subsoil. Subsoil is a mixture of sand and clay. और इसके अंदर बहुत छोटे pieces of rocks भी होते हैं. The heaviest particles of soil are at the bottom. These are heavy rocks which are called bedrock. This is the hardest part of. Let us now learn about the three layers of soil. The topmost layer of soil is very important. It is known as humus, and this is responsible for the growth of plants because it is very rich in important nutrients that are needed by the plant. The second layer below the topsoil is made of tiny rocks and clay. This is known as subsoil, and right below the subsoil is a layer which has got huge pieces of rocks. This is the heaviest, and this is known as the bedrock. Different types of soil और different जगह जहाँ पर soil मिलता है उसके accordingly soil के color में बहुत difference आता है. Also, it is important for us to remember that soil contains water and soil also contains air in it. Let us see with the help of simple experiments. अगर आप थोड़ा सा soil किसी बर्तन के अंदर लेकर उसको हीट करेंगे और उस हीटेड बर्तन के ऊपर एक प्लेट को होल्ड करके रखेंगे, you will see tiny water droplets collecting on the plate. This proves that soil has water in it. On the other hand, if you take some soil and you put water in it, you will see air bubbles rising out of it. This proves that soil has got air in it. Now we are going to learn about the different types of soil that are found in different regions. Let us again watch a very small video for the same. There are three main types of soil. The first is sandy soil, then clayey soil, and then loamy soil. Let us learn about sandy soil first. सैंडी सॉइल होता है डेजर्ट एरिया का सॉइल। ये सॉइल पार्टिकल्स बहुत पतले होते हैं, इनके अंदर पानी नहीं रुकता है, जिसकी वजह से दे आर नॉट गुड फॉर ग्रोइंग क्रॉप्स। द ओनली प्लांट्स दैट कैन सर्वाइव इन सैंडी सॉइल आर प्लांट्स लाइक cactus, which need very little water to grow. The second type of soil is clay soil. Clay soil के अंदर बहुत सारा पानी रुक जाता है because they are very fine particles which do not allow water to go out. It is good for making clay pots, bricks, etc. In this soil, because water बहुत ज़्यादा रुकता है, they are good for growing plants like rice जिनको बहुत सारे ठहरे हुए पानी की ज़रूरत होती है. The third kind of soil is loamy soil. Loamy soil is the most fertile type of soil क्योंकि loamy soil के अंदर top soil की layer बहुत thick होती है. Remember, we just learned what top soil is. Top soil is full of humus, which is very, very rich. It is the richest food for the animals to grow in. Loamy soil is very good for growing crops. Now it is important for us to understand the importance of soil. As we have just learned in the beginning of the lesson that soil supports both plant and animal life. Without soil, life cannot exist. The second important thing is that soil is the home for tiny organisms like earthworms, snakes, ants, etc. Soil is also used to make clay pots, vases, etc. Plants grow in soil. Soil provides water and minerals to the plants for their growth, and soil is also used to make bricks. So in this chapter, we have learned how soil was made. We have also learned what are the different layers of soil and what are the different types of soil. We have also learned about the importance of soil. Now it is very important for us to remember that the more trees and plants we plant, the more the roots will hold the soil and we will not lose this precious soil. क्योंकि हमने अभी पढ़ा कि soil को बनने में बहुत सारे साल लगते हैं. So let's not let this soil wash away. Let's plant more trees. Thank you.